Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. Today I'm going to be showing you disembarkation day on the Carnival Venezia going into New York City, Manhattan. This was filmed in August 2023. It's super early in the morning. Most people are probably packing and getting ready to get off the ship or maybe going to breakfast, but we're up on the top of the deck. It's beautiful up here. If you're interested in the Carnival Venezia, please check out my other videos. I will link at the end of this video, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's free and easy. All you have to do is hit that little button. I would appreciate it. Thank you so much. In this video today, it's going to be a little scenic. It's going to be showing you what it looks like to pull into Manhattan. Also in this video, I'll be showing you what it's like to get off the ship. If you are going to be sailing in and out of Manhattan, either on the Venezia or another ship, this video may be helpful for you. Absolutely stunning sailing in and out of here. If you haven't been able to get over to Serenity during disembarkation day, is a good time to go check it out. There's nobody there. I'm just going to give you a little quick peek. I have a whole video about this Serenity if you want to see more of this in detail. For anyone that is unfamiliar with Serenity, it is an adult-only area. You have to be 21 and up. It's on deck 15, and it is lovely. But it gets very, very crowded. That's why I wanted to throw this in here, because it's a great time to go check it out. I am not 100% certain, but I believe that is New Jersey's port, Cape Liberty. When you pull in and out of Manhattan, you have New York on one side and New Jersey on the other. It's quite a trip. There seems to be so much controversy over this ship. So many people didn't like it and so many people love it. I loved it. I thought it was really nice. If I could offer a helpful suggestion, if there's a day at sea, don't go up to the deck at 11 o'clock. It's going to be packed. There's going to be nowhere to sit. You know, you have to go early in the morning. You have to use a little strategy if you really want to, utilize the best experiences. Look at us up here. Like, we're all by ourselves. It is magical. I honestly don't know how anybody could not love this. Welcome to Manhattan. Great selfie opportunities on deck 15. Now we have to go back to our cabin, grab our bags, and listen to what Mark Q has to say.
At this point in time, I want to give that quick reminder that it is officially 9:18, which means that we've got ourselves about 12 minutes, and then we ask that everybody exit out of the staterooms and only make their way to the waiting areas, okay? So once again, you got 12 minutes until you make your way to the waiting areas. However, at this point in time, we are ready for those guests who had assigned muster station B3. So, A5 and B3 at this time.
Wow, it's us.
At the very front of the ship. So once again, A5 and B3. At this time, you are to make your way to the very front of the ship. Come on down.
It's us.
And we'll see you with your room key in your hand.
We don't even have to go to 5.
Face. Parents and guardians stay before the minors. And we'll go ahead and get you on out of here. So once again, A5 and
so we have to go down the stairs, three stairs.
Time. Yeah. So again, thank you so much.
Elevators
for your understanding. Let's all work together so we have ourselves an easy breezy, beautiful sailing day. See what I did there? Okay, bye.
Bye. Ciao. Now you can follow my husband Kelly and I as we get off the ship, and you can see what it's like for yourself. This is the part of the cruise that I'm already starting to think of when I'm going to come back again. I don't want to leave. I want to just stay on it. So I have to plan another trip. Are you planning on taking a cruise from Manhattan? Is it the Carnival Venezia? Please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. This atrium was so gorgeous. I know it's not the typical Carnival flair. It was just really stunning, very elegant. This is where we entered and exited. So if I could offer another word of advice, find out where your cabin is first. We didn't exactly know where our cabin was. And when we got there, it was like a madhouse getting in. I basically created a stressful situation for us because had I looked at a map and knew where the cabin was, I would have known where to go. Another thing that was a little complicated is we chose to keep our bags. You could check them and have them delivered. We chose to carry them around. So the elevators were packed. So we had to carry them up 3 flights of stairs. We were on deck 6. Wasn't terrible. Wasn't great, but it wasn't like, really bad. But, it's something good to know. I thought deck 6 was great, though, as far as convenience of getting to all the different floors. But, the first day, it was kind of a little struggle getting the bags up. But look, Kelly's really happy now because we're getting off the cruise. He's a landscaper. He really was hesitant about coming on here because he was going to miss so much work. So I think he's eager to get back. We live in Connecticut, about an hour, maybe an hour and a half away, so our daughter Sky picked us up. There is also parking at the terminal, but you would need to make an advance reservation. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. I hope this was helpful. I will leave some playlists here for you to check out if you want to see more videos that I took of the Carnival Venezia. Thank you so much for watching. Book that cruise, pack your bags and go. Safe travels to you.